Every morning feels the same, but what if I told you your daily routine can change your life and your English forever? I used to wake up with one thought in my mind. I can't speak English. It felt heavy. It felt real. And slowly it became my identity. But what happened next changed everything. My day starts early. The room is quiet. The sun is just rising. I open my eyes and for a few seconds, I do nothing. I just listen. I listen to the silence. Because this is where my journey begins. Before my phone, before social media, before the noise of the world, I take a deep breath and say one simple sentence. Today I will try. Not perfect, not fluent, just try. This is important because many people wait to feel ready. But the truth is, no one feels ready. I get out of bed. I make my tea. And here comes the first challenge of the day. I start talking to myself in English. Yes, it feels strange. At first, I used very small sentences. I am making tea. The water is hot. I am tired. Simple words. Simple thoughts. But inside, there was fear. What if I say something wrong? What if my grammar is bad? What if I sound stupid? These questions were loud in my mind. But then a small voice inside me said, "Who is listening?" And that's when I realized the biggest problem was not English. It was fear. This is where everything started to change. I stopped trying to be perfect. I started trying to be real. After breakfast, I take my phone. I play a short English audio. Not fast. Not difficult. Just simple. I listen carefully. Not once, not twice, but again and again. At first, I understand only a few words, then a few more, then full sentences. And suddenly, something amazing happens. My brain starts thinking in English. It's slow. It's not perfect, but it's real. But here comes the hard part, staying consistent. Some days, I feel lazy. Some days, I feel tired. Some days, I feel like giving up. I ask myself, is this even working? Maybe you feel the same. You try for a few days, then you stop. You feel excited, then you lose motivation. But what if the problem is not you? What if the problem is you are expecting fast results? Because the truth is, learning English is not a race. It's a daily routine. And routines are boring. But they are powerful. This is the part no one talks about. Success is not one big moment. It is small actions every single day. So I kept going. I started watching simple English videos. I repeated sentences. I paused. I spoke out loud. Sometimes I made mistakes. Actually, many mistakes. But something surprising happened. No one laughed. No one stopped me. Because most of the fear was only in my mind. And this realization changed everything. In the afternoon, I take a short break. But even here, I don't stop learning. I look at things around me and I describe them in English. The sky is blue. The road is busy. I feel hungry. These small habits look simple, but they build something powerful. Confidence. Not loud confidence, but quiet confidence. The kind that grows slowly inside you. Then evening comes. This is my favorite part of the day, because this is where I test myself. I try to speak for 1 minute without stopping. Any topic. My day. My goals. My dreams. At first, I can't speak much. I stop. I forget words. I feel stuck. But I don't quit. Because I remember something important. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It is about not giving up when you get stuck. So I continue. One sentence, then another, and slowly, I improve. But here comes the moment no one saw coming. One day, I was talking, and I didn't stop. No fear.
No hesitation. No overthinking.
Just words flowing naturally. It was not perfect, but it was real. And in that moment, I realized something deep. I was no longer afraid of English. This was my turning point, not when I became fluent, but when I became fearless. Because fear was always the real problem, not grammar, not vocabulary.
Fear.
And once fear is gone, everything becomes easier. Now my daily routine is simple but powerful. I wake up, I try, I listen, I learn, I speak, I improve, again and again,
Day by day.
and this is the secret, not talent, not expensive courses, not big words, just daily effort. Let me say it again in a different way. Your English will not change in one day, but if you change your daily routine, your English will change one day. This is not magic. This is consistency. And maybe right now you feel stuck. Maybe you think, I can't do this. But ask yourself, have you really tried every day? Have you really given your best daily? Because your future English depends on your present routine. Not tomorrow. Not next week.
Today. Right now.
So tomorrow morning when you wake up, don't wait for motivation. Don't wait to feel confident. Just start. Say one sentence. Listen to one audio. Speak for 1 minute. That's it. Because small actions create big results. And one day, you will look back and smile. Because the person who is afraid to speak is now speaking without fear. And that moment will be worth everything. So don't stop.
Keep going.
Your journey has already started. And remember, fluency is not a dream. It is a daily routine. If this story touched you, if you saw yourself in this journey, then take the first step today. And if you want to keep improving your English with simple, powerful routines like this, make sure you stay connected. Because your next level is closer than you think. Just don't give up.